Hello, Ryan.
Hello, Ryan. Hey, G.
What do you say to me?
Hey, G. Hey, G.
Hi,
Hey, G.
Ryan. What
Hey,
happened? I wanted to see you.
here,
I thought we
here.
were gonna go play outside.
Yes. Yes.
What happened?
Yes. Mom.
You didn't want to come see me?
Mama, mama. Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Ryan, you gotta come. You gotta
Yes.
get out of the house and come
Yes.
see me. In
Yes.
person.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Next week you're gonna come
Yeah.
see me.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
D is in person,
Yes.
right? D and Corinne is in person.
Yeah.
Maciel is on screen. Deal?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
It's in person.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So when I called you this morning, what were you doing?
Yeah.
Were you sitting outside
I'll say yes. Yes.
with mommy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So nice though.
Yeah. Yes.
I was looking forward to sit outside with you because I wanted to sit outside and enjoy the weather too. Maybe next time. Try it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay, right?
Okay. Okay. Let's see what we got. Okay. Let's play a game. I'm going to share this screen with you in 1 second. Let me see what I can find for you. All right, give me 1 minute. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Let me share the screen.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see the screen now. You can tell me what game you play.
So, dragon, 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 dragon.
Or finding something or tic-tac-toe.
Teacher Joe,
What do you
teacher,
want?
teacher Joe, teacher Joe. I want teacher
Tic-tac-toe.
Joe.
Okay.
Yes.
You're gonna tell
Yeah.
me which tic-tac-toe. I'm gonna show you all your
Yeah.
okay?
Yes.
So tic-tac-toe
Teacher.
with X's and O's.
Josh.
Or we have dinosaur.
Sa.
Emoji pieces. What
Sa.
else do we have here?
Sa.
Sweet
Sa.
treat.
Sa.
Words. Hold on, I'm showing them all to you. Hold on. Circles, aliens, monsters,
Mages.
rocks, ocean,
Ocean.
ball,
Ocean.
turkey, penguins,
She's
cats and dogs. Alright, which one do you want?
dinosaur. Dinosaur. I want dinosaur. 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 Dinosaur.
Okay, look at me. Hold on. Take a breath for a minute. Breathe. If you put your nose up your mouth. I want tic-tac.
Toe. Teacher. Hey.
I want
Right. Teacher. Joe. 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 Joe.
Well, which tic-tac-toe do you want? You want ocean?
Ocean.
Rock?
Ocean. Ocean.
Okay,
Ocean.
so tell me. I want.
Red. Ocean. J. Team. Team. Team.
Yeah, so tell me. I
Hey. What? Ocean. Then. Then. Ocean. Team. Joe. 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 Joe.
Okay, so do you want the top, middle, or bottom?
Bottom. 把家长，把家长，把家长唱，把家长，
You want the corner or the middle?
把咱们做嘛，咱们做嘛，做嘛，做嘛，做嘛，做嘛，yes, yes,
Corner?
yes, 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 yes,
Where are we
yes.
gonna put? Do you want the crab or the octopus?
Octopus, octopus, octopus.
Okay, so
Yes.
Ryan's the octopus and I'm the
Yeah.
crab. Okay. You put the octopus in the corner. Wait, can you read that for me?
The bus are way settled with this brain.
Okay, so the boys are playing soccer. Who is playing? He is, she is, or they are all playing? Who's playing?
The brain, the brain.
They, good. They are all playing. And what are they playing?
Perfect. So, wait,
Soccer. Yeah, they're playing soccer. Ryan, how do you play soccer? How do you play soccer? What do you have to do?
Yes, Saturday,
What do you do with the ball?
oh,
Do
yeah,
you throw the ball? Or
yes,
do you kick the ball?
the ball, the ball,
Kick the ball. Yeah, in
yes,
soccer, you use your
yeah,
feet. You kick the ball.
yes,
No hands. Kick it.
yeah,
Right? Kick the ball.
the
Okay,
ball,
so they are playing. The boys are playing soccer. Okay, my turn. I want to put the crab in this corner. On top. Okay, read it to me.
the man is here today, the baby who is carrying the baby, with the baby,
Okay.
baby,
Who? Tell me who is feeding the baby?
baby,
They are, she is, or he is. Who's feeding the baby?
baby, baby, baby,
Who
baby,
is feeding the baby? Who is? Tell me who.
mommy, mommy,
Mommy.
yeah,
The
yeah,
girl. Tell me,
yes,
she is feeding the baby.
baby,
She is.
baby, baby, baby,
She is feeding the
baby,
baby.
baby,
What is mommy feeding the baby?
yes,
What
baby,
is mommy feeding the baby?
Roger, Papa,
Food?
Roger,
What do you do
Roger,
with the food?
Roger, Roger,
Mommy's feeding the baby food. She is. Okay, where do you want to put your octopus? Where are you going to put your octopus? Where do
octopus,
you want to put it?
octopus, octopus,
Yeah, but where?
octopus, octopus, octopus,
Top, middle, or bottom?
chop, 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 chop,
On top?
chop,
Okay, you got it. Top. In
chop,
the middle or the corner?
chop, 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 chop,
Listen, middle or corner?
metal, metal,
Middle. Okay. So tell me, I want the octopus in a middle.
metal,
All right, read it for me.
so is the B and the O E and O is the B, the B, the B,
Who is
the
jumping?
B,
Who is jumping?
the
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 girl. The girl. She. Say she is jumping.
Jason, well,
Tell me. She is.
Japan,
She is jumping. Right? What is she doing?
She is
What is
Japan,
she doing?
she is Japan,
Jumping. Can you jump, Ryan?
Yeah. Yes.
Stand
Yes.
up. Let me see you jump. Let's jump. I'll get set up too. Get up. Ready? Let's jump. Can you jump? Jump. 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 Good job. Go, Ryan. You're jumping. You're gonna move that body. Good. We're jumping in the air.
Here's a
You
trampoline.
gotta move
Mm.
that body.
Here's,
What'd you say?
here's a trampoline.
Oh, do you jump on your trampoline?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's good exercise. Is it inside or outside?
Inside. Inside.
Inside?
Yes.
What room is it in?
Was warm. Mommy.
In mommy's room?
Yes.
I jump on it too.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
It's in
Yes.
mommy's room. You guys exercise. I love
Yeah.
it. That's great. That's really good exercise. Good job. All right. So the girl is jumping. She is doing her arm out. Say she is, he is, or they are. So she is the girl. We'll say she is jumping. She is jumping. Good job. Okay. I'm going to put my crab in this corner, up on top. Okay, read it for me.
That's a joy who is Brian. Brian. Brian.
Who's playing?
Does.
Who's playing? Dog.
Does.
So is he playing? Is she playing? Or are they playing?
They are Brian. They are
They
Brian.
are playing because there's more than one, right? So there's two dogs. They are playing. It looks like they're playing tug of war with the toy, right? They're trying to get the toy. They're pulling and pulling. And what are they doing? What are they doing?
Doing. They are doing. Brian. That is.
Playing with a toy. Yes, they are.
Yeah.
Hey, does Norman play with toys? Does
Yeah.
your cat play with toys?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
What's
Yes.
Norman's favorite toy?
This is very bow. Bow.
A ball. He likes to play with the ball.
Bow.
Okay,
Bow.
good. A ball. Good.
Bow. Bow.
All right, let's see. Where do you want to put your octopus?
At the base. At the base. At the here. Here. The
Where do
base.
you want it? Middle or bottom?
Mental. 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 Mental.
Middle. Okay. On this side,
The other side.
the left side, the right side, or right in the middle?
Mental. This one. Yes.
This
Yeah.
side, the left
Yes.
side.
Yes. Yeah.
Put the octopus on the left.
Yeah.
Read it for me.
So is waiting a bow who is waiting.
Who is reading?
Cha boy. Bow. Cha boy. Cha boy. Cha boy.
The boy reading?
Yes.
Try again. Look at the picture. Read it to me again.
So is waiting a bow who is waiting.
Who's
Waiting.
reading?
Waiting.
Okay, stop and breathe. Okay. Listen. Who is reading? Who?
Wow.
The girl.
Wow.
Good. So, do we say she is reading or he is reading? What do we say?
She is who is waiting. She is waiting.
Is reading.
She is waiting.
And what is she reading?
Bow. Bow.
A book.
Bow.
Book.
Bow. Purple.
Ryan, do you read books?
Yes.
Yeah. What's your favorite book?
Yeah, Jabba, Jabba.
That's a video.
Jack,
What's your favorite
Lisa.
book that you always read?
Yes.
Oh, is there a
Yes.
book too?
这是微笑，
Jack.
这
You
Yeah.
don't have a book?
No, yeah, he does actually, but he likes to read.
Oh, he does. Oh.
Jack and the
Yes,
Beanstalk.
sir.
Oh, okay. I was gonna
Yes,
say,
sir.
the book that you always bring in is what?
Sir.
There's a monster at the end of this book. I thought that was your favorite book.
Yeah, the monster, right?
Mm,
The
yeah.
monster at
Yes,
the end of the
Right?
book.
yes,
There's a monster at the end of this
yes,
book.
yes,
Is that your favorite book?
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Smiling over there. Okay. The girl is reading a book. Who is reading it? She's reading a book. All right. I'm going to put my
Ow!
crab
Oh, oh.
Okay.
at the bottom in the corner. Okay. Read it to me.
The weapon is sure, but the who has the werewolves, the werewolves.
Okay. So who has the balloons?
The boy, the boy, the boy, the boy, the
He's
boy.
the robot. We can say he. I guess it could be
Boy.
boy or girl. The robot has some balloons.
The werewolves, werewolves, werewolves.
Who has the balloons? He does.
He does, he does.
And what is the robot holding?
What's it? Werewolves, werewolves,
Balloons are
werewolves.
stuck on his head. What is he wearing on his head?
Yes.
What's on his head? Look. He's wearing a
Hat. Yeah.
Okay, breathe.
All right, where do you want to put your octopus?
Out the
Where do you
base.
want to put it?
Out the base. Out the base. Out the bottom. 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 The bottom. The bottom.
Okay, hold on. Do you want it in the middle or the bottom?
Metal. Metal. Metal.
Do you want it right in the middle or
Yeah.
on the right?
Metal. Metal. Metal.
Middle?
Metal.
All right, so Timmy, I want
I
the
was
octopus in the middle.
metal. Out the metal. 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 Out the
Okay. Let's see. Can you read that one for me?
the boy is with into the base of who is 18. 18. 18. 18.
Who is hitting?
The boy, happy. The
The
boy,
boy.
the
So
boy,
we say he is or she is.
she is, she is, she is,
And he is a boy, right? So
he is,
he is
he
hitting.
is,
What is he hitting?
he is, the boy, the boy, the boy,
What is he hitting?
the boy, bow, the bow, the bow,
He's putting the
the
ball
bow,
into the baseball. He's playing baseball.
baseball,
He is. Alright, my turn. Watch this guy. I'm gonna show you something. Watch this. My crap here. It's 0. Okay?
Jab, 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 jab.
Read it for me.
Is what house, house, house.
Okay, take a breath. Breathe. The man is riding a horse. Who is riding the horse? Who? Who is it? Who's riding the horse?
House.
Who?
But
Who is riding it?
the boy, the boy, the boy, the
The
boy.
boy, right?
Yeah.
The man, the boy. He is riding.
He is riding. He is riding.
He is riding. Hey, Ryan, who rides horses in your house? Who rides horses?
Home.
Does mommy ride horses?
Yeah. No.
No.
Ryan.
Does
Ryan.
ride horses?
Ryan. Yes.
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 You ride horses.
Yes.
Do you like riding horses?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
What's your horse's
Yeah.
name?
Visit.
Biscuit.
Yes. Visit.
Biscuit.
Yes.
Lips together.
Visit. Visit.
Biscuit.
Visit. Visit.
Can you
Visit.
make a sentence? Can you tell me I ride biscuit?
I race. I race. I.
You ride biscuit.
Yes.
Right? You ride biscuit.
Yeah.
Nice job. All right. So we say he is riding his. Huh? Tic-tac-toe. Tell me.
Job. The job. The job. The job.
Tic-tac-toe. 3 in a row. So Ryan, do you know how to win?
Yes.
You have to get
Yeah.
matching. So if you put your octopus down here, then you would have gotten it. You can go up and down,
After
side
job.
to side, or
This
diagonal,
says
going across and down.
yes.
Right?
Yeah.
That was fun. Tic tac toe, 3 in a row.
Happy.
We played ocean tic tac toe.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Put the phone down. Put your phone down.
Down.
Put it down. Thank you.
Gotcha.
Okay, Ryan, we're gonna play a game really quick. We have a minute. Are you ready?
Yes.
Have you ever
Yeah.
played Simon Says?
Yes. Says.
Simon says.
Says.
Do you know how to play
Says.
Simon Says?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so if I say Simon Says, touch your head. You have to touch your head. Good. Simon Says, touch your nose. Touch your ears.
He didn't listen.
Simon didn't say. Your turn. You tell me. Say Simon Says.
Yes. Yes.
Tell me,
Yes.
what do I touch? Tell me. Simon Says, touch your
See. See.
feet.
See.
Okay.
See.
Touching my feet.
See.
Touching my feet.
See.
All right, what else would I touch?
Yeah.
Simon Says,
The race.
touch your
The race. The race. The race. Race. The race. The race. The
Touch your knees.
me.
what? Say that one more time.
The
Simon Says, touch your
me. Me.
knees. Okay, I'm touching my knees. Touch your knees.
Yes. Me.
Where are your knees?
Me.
I see your knees. You're not touching them. Touch your knees. Look, this is my knee. Touch your
Me.
knee, Ryan. Touch your knees.
Hands on knees.
Your knees.
Hands on knees.
Where's your knees? Up, up. No,
He's being a goose.
up.
He's a goose.
You're being silly.
He's
You're
silly.
being silly. Simon Says, touch your shoulders.
Shut this.
Touch your nose. Simon didn't say. I tricked you again. Right? You only touch if Simon says. Is that funny?
Yeah.
You can play that game with mommy. That's a fun one. Right? Simon says, stand up. Good. Simon says, turn around. Good. Simon says, sit down. Touch your head. Simon didn't say. I got you again.
Ryan, stop
Can
looking
you
at
play
the
that
phone.
with mommy?
Yes.
That's a fun one.
We do head,
Tell
shoulders,
mommy.
head.
Head.
Simon
Head.
says, what do you want to touch?
Says. So
Say,
this
touch your, or
me.
give a hug.
Yes.
Touch your knees. Look, touch your knee. Touch your knee. Your knee.
Your knee, right here. This.
Yeah.
There you go.
Knee. Good job. Simon says, touch your chin.
Then
Simon says, touch your ears.
yes.
Simon says, touch your belly.
The belly. The belly.
Simon says, point your finger like this. I see you. Simon says, touch your cheek.
Cheek.
Touch your
Cheek.
cheek.
Cheek. Cheek.
Touch your eyes.
Eyes.
I got you again. Simon didn't say. I tricked you. All right, you can play that game with mommy. It's a fun one. It's a good listening and following direction game, and it's fun. You can get up and move around. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, Ron Mitten. Have a good day.
Yes.
Have a good day.
And next time, we'll see in person, okay?
Yes.
In
You
person.
see me here.
Yes.
Come see
Yes.
me. No video for
Yeah.
Diana anymore. Got it?
Yeah. Yes.
No more video for D.
Yes.
No more video for D.
Yes.
We're friends.
Cheek.
All right? No more videos.
Yes, it's okay.
You come see me.
Eh?
I'm friends.
Right.